Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel All Tech Queries. So let me take an example here. Here is a file. Now how do you know what file type it is? To know the file type, you have to right click on it, go to properties, and here it will show the type of file is .mov. But there is also a simpler method. There is a feature in Windows that allows us to show the file extension at all times. So let me show you. First you have to open the file explorer, any folder or this PC. You can see this file menu here. You click on the file menu and go to this options, folder options. Let me drag it here. Now go to this second tab, view tab, and here you can see the option hide extensions for known file types. So by default what Windows does is it hides the extensions, file extensions, so you cannot see which file it is. So what I'm going to do is uncheck this option, click on apply and OK. See, now you can see it is .mov file. This is also .mov file. Let's go to another folder. This is an application, so .exe, Excel file, docs file, text file, .txt, rar file and pdf file. You can see all this without going to its properties. Now what is the advantage of it? Let me tell you what is the advantage. Before we go to the next topic, let me tell you what are the advantages of showing file extensions. So usually if your PC is getting attacked by virus frequently, you can identify using this method whether a file is a virus or not. So usually what happens is a virus file is .exe, but not all virus files are exe. There are also some applications, so you have to identify it. So let's say if you have this file, if the icon is Word file but the extension is .exe, then it is surely a virus. And if you see a rar file, it should be rar, but if you see .rar.exe or simply .exe, then it is surely a virus. So you don't have to open it. So with this process we can identify whether it is a virus or not. And second benefit of this is you can easily spot which file type it is. Now what are the disadvantages? See, what happened here is, let me create a new file. Okay, this is a new file. So when you are going to rename it, we should rename only this part. That's it. Now sometimes what happens is we rename the entire text, the entire file name. Now we also get a warning, but suppose we click on yes. Now this file is inaccessible. You cannot access this file because Windows don't know what this file is. Windows know this is txt file, Windows know this is doc file, this is application, but what is this file? There is no file extension for this. So if you have an important document and you accidentally remove the file extension, then the file is completely useless. What you can do is you can type it again .txt, but you should know the correct file format, in what format it was, then it will be accessible. But if you forget what file format it was and you renamed it, then the file will be completely useless. So that is risky. So to prevent that, Windows will automatically hide it. So by default Windows keep it hidden. Now if you are an advanced user, you can disable this option, but for beginners, for those who don't know much about PCs, you can enable this option for your safety. Let me enable this. So we are back at this. There is a simple way. If you want to know the file extension by clicking on it, there is a simple way. Click on this view and here preview pane, click on view and go to details pane. Enable this option. So what happens is Windows will create a panel here that will show the file details. Now if you click on a file, it will show you this is a text document. This is a vendor archive, this is an application, this is an Excel file. So you can also spot by using this method if you feel that is very risky. So I hope you understand. So if you think this video was helpful, then like our video. You can subscribe to our channel for similar videos. So thank you, have a nice day.